Hi, and once again, welcome to the new session. And this session, I'm going to just show some of the laws of exponent for real numbers. And what I'm taking real numbers here as, I'm taking real numbers as natural numbers, or some rational numbers I will take. So before starting this, let me give you an idea about if you will add 3 4 times, what you do? You will do 4 times of 3 and it is 12. That means addition is nothing. It is a, you can say multiplication is nothing. It is a successive addition. And moreover, if you will have to multiply 3 4 times, what you will write? You will write it like this: 3 times of 4. It is, or you can read it, 3 raised to the power 4, where 3 is called a base and this is called an exponent. This is 1. So 3 raised to the power 4. This is, we have 3 times. Now why we write this is? This is an assumption. We have just adding them. We write like this. For example, A added n times. We write A n times of A, and we A raised to the power n multiplied n times, and when A is added n times, we have n times of A. These are two things. So in both them, I'm going to show you the different cases whenever and laws of exponents, just with all these. A n times is equal to A raised to the power n. Now A raised to the power, this is the rule. Now what is this? First one, A raised to the power n into A raised to the power m equals to A n times multiplied by A m times. That is A n plus m times, or I can say A raised to the power n plus m. With this rule, how many number of times it will be multiplied the same number, the power raised to that. So we have first rule. This is the first one. The second one, A raised to the power n upon A raised to the power m. I am taking n greater than m. This will be equals to A n times upon A m times, and that will be equals to, some of them will be cancelled, Now how much will be cancelled? M will be cancelled. We will cancel m will be cancelled, and left will be n minus m. So it is A n minus m times. This is like this: 7 4 times, and I've just divided by 2 times. What I have only 2 7, so it is 4 minus 2. It is 2 sevens only I have now. So it is nothing, A raised to the power n minus m. So we have second rule, upon A raised to the power m okay. Another rule, A raised to the power 0 means 1. Now 1 upon a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power 0 upon a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power 0 minus n. So we have a rule 1 upon a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power minus n. These are the rules. Another one rule we have for same basis, same exponents. Fifth one, bases are same, it will be a times of b raised to the power n. Sixth, okay, now a raised to the power n raised to the power m equals to a raised to the power n into a raised to the power n m times is equal to a raised to the power n plus m times is equal to a raised to the power nm. Okay, so this is the another rule. So we have, these are very few type of rules we have. Moreover, we have another rules. Seventh rule I will have a raised to the power nth equals to a raised to the power 1 by n. Eighth, a raised to the power n raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n by m. Okay, so this is how we have some number of rules here, and on that basis I will just take some examples. On this basis I will take an example here, and let's say solve 3 raised to the power n plus 1 plus root 3 raised to the power 2n minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power upon 9 raised to the power n plus 1 by 2 n plus 4 by 2. Very easy question. So how to solve this question? Looks to be typical, but with each and every step we will be able to solve this question. Let's see. Let's say I will make it some easy one, and to make it easy one, let me put it here 4. Okay, I will put 4 here. Now it becomes easy. Now what we can have 3 raised to the power n times of 3 raised to the power 1 plus root 3 raised to the power 2n into root 3 upon root 3 raised to the power 4 upon 9 raised to the power n by 2 into 9 raised to the power 4 by 2. This is the thing we can have. Now this can be written as 3 raised to the power n into 3 plus 3 raised to the power half raised to the power 2n upon single upon 3 raised to the power half raised to the power 4, and it should be divided by 3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power n by 2 into 3 raised to the power 9 raised to the power 2. Okay, so what it becomes? See, please write each and every formula which you are going to use. Say in this first part, what we use is, if I will be able to write the formula here, this will help me. It is a raised to the power n plus m is equal to a raised to the power n plus m. This is the formula I use, in the second one I use a raised to power n minus m is equal to a raised to power n upon m. And if I will just take it here, what I just used is this equals to a raised to the power half. So this is the formula I am using. So it is 3 times of 3n plus this will be cancelled up, 3 raised to the power n upon this is 2, 3 square upon this will be cancelled, 3 raised to the power n into 81. This will be equals to 3 raised to the power n 3 times, I will take common here 3 plus 1 by 9 upon 3 raised to power n into 81. This will be cancelled. It will result 27 plus 1 over 9 over 81, and it will be 27 plus 1 is 28 over 9 into 81 is, it will be 9 and it will be 729. So this will be the perfect answer for this one question. And this is how we can solve. It seems to be very typically, it seems to be where n will go and how. So we have to formulate, I have just formulated a question in front of you in which all 3 raised to power n will be cancelled up. Okay, and these type of questions will be asked in some competitive examinations. You will have these type of questions, and because we will not have the questions which have a long descriptions, but somehow we have a questions which require a logical aptitude, and this is a question in which we had a logical aptitude. Okay, so at this point, with this example, I would like to conclude this session, because laws of exponent have only very few things, because it requires practice, and practice will make you perfect on this. So I will hope you will do more practice with the questions. I will, in the next session, I will come with the exercise 1.6, in which we have some few questions which are related with that, and moreover in upcoming sessions we will come with some competitive questions also. So have a nice time, enjoy your time.